I'm here at the Hillsdale County Fair still, and I'm hanging out with Harley. How you doing, Harley?
I'm doing great.
That's awesome.
Leave the flags in the ground till the job is done.
That is a good rule. Now, why should they do that?
Because when we go out there, we can't find out where any of the electric or any of the lines are at. And if we end up drilling a hole and we hit that, either we got to replace it, or pay for it or anything like that. But the worst thing is if we hit a gas line, we might blow up or something, and we do worry about that. So leave the flags in the ground.
There you go. Now, you heard it from the person who's on the ground right here himself. Leave the flags in the ground. That's what you got to do. But make sure you call Miss Dig 811 before you dig. Thank you again, Harley, man. It's good to see you. Thanks for watching Miss Dig's What's That 811. Remember, always be smart, be safe, and call Miss Dig 811 before you dig.